Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of stage makeup with the Nye Theatrical makeup kits flair, like PK-1. If you're serious about your stage presence, this might just be the best stage makeup kit theater enthusiasts can get their hands on.
Let's explore why. First off, let's talk about what you get in this kit. It's not just your average makeup set.
Nye has curated a selection of high-quality products designed specifically for the demands of the stage. From foundations to contouring shades, this kit has everything you need to create flawless looks under those bright lights.
Now, let's talk performance. Theatrical makeup needs to withstand hours under hot lights, intense movements, and close scrutiny. With Nye's formulas, you can trust that your makeup will stay put, no matter what the performance throws at you. Plus, the range of shades ensures that every actor, no matter their skin tone, can find their perfect match. Impressive, right?
Whether you're a seasoned actor or just starting out in the world of theater, having the right makeup can make all the difference.
And with Nye's Theatrical makeup kit, you're getting nothing but the best. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, stay flawless.